This is Marc Jacobs, and I don't want to f this up. Wow, literal 10-second DIY. I hate sewing! Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the greatest honor of having access to Jeremy's donation bag. Oh my god, this man has not purged his closet in many months, so we've got a lot to choose from. I've also got this very professional hot pink trucker hat of different items. They're like top, skirt, dress sets that I want to challenge myself to make from our donation bag. So going into this, I don't have a plan, and that's kind of what I'm trying to challenge myself to do today. Pull a few things, take a survey of what we're working with, and try to make some flipped Jeremy outfits. Okay. A top, bitch, easy. Next, we've got a matching set. Okay, not as easy as a top. And I think let's pull 3, and like can't guarantee that we'll have like 3 that work out, but like we'll start with the goal of doing 3. Okay, and last one, a swim cover. Can't wait how to figure out how to make a swim cover from all these preppy ass polos that I know are in this stupid bag. We've got a swim cover, we've got a top, and we've got a matching set. It could be worse, but it could be better. I don't know how I ended up with such a preppy ass boyfriend. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I basically have like the Lacoste store in my lap right now. Off the bat, I'm feeling a little stressed because everything seems like either like hardcore plaid or like hardcore neutral with like no patterns. Is this giving swim cover up, or is this giving not the cutest thing that Jeremy's ever had in his closet? This has to be from the frat days. I mean, it's Marc Jacobs though. I genuinely don't know what to do with like a button-up plaid shirt. Also not my color, Ralph Lauren. This is not today. I'm having flashbacks of like the designer thrift boxes that we had a few videos ago. This is kind of like a poo-poo caca color. That's a no. Calvin Klein. I'm like kind of nervous to chop all this stuff up. These are good. Okay. This has got potential. I almost feel like one of these button-ups might be the move for a matching set, 'cause I think there's gonna be the most fabric. This is an absolute no. This is giving mint chip. This is not for me. Like this is not my color. This is a really aggressive like black and white polka dot that almost feels like an optical illusion. Jeremy, I'm so sorry. You know what though? Jeremy doesn't even watch my video, so I feel like I can freely talk shit about some of these pieces and it's gonna be fine. Like this yellow shirt. Sir. Oh, this is a nice shirt. From Zara. This is kind of cute. It's like a nice like woven fabric. I actually don't hate this color of plaid. It's got like a cute little pink in it. This is so preppy. This is the very farthest polar opposite of my style, but we are going to work with what we have been given. Again, freely talking shit. Jeremy, I know you're not watching this. What the f is this Flamingo shirt? You know what? This is a good vacation shirt, which I feel like in turn is serving possible beach cover-up vibes. It's got like a really lightweight, almost sheer fabric to it. This is definitely cuter than that original. Like if we're thinking beach cover-up of this or this, definitely this. I had a pair of shorts from American Eagle in 2008 in almost this exact same plaid print. And as nostalgic as it is for me, this is a no. This is a foreign fratty land for me and I don't know what to do. Okay, polo in navy, polo in white, polo in blue. These are solid basics, but like it's not sparking inspiration. Oh my god, I think we have a real gem here. Damn, this is Paul Smith. This is expensive. It's actually kind of cute. I have no plans for it whatsoever. It's not summer vibes. These are all kind of expensive. Okay, gut reaction. Here are, I think, the winners with the most possibility. Oh my god, is this new with tags? $85, Ralph Lauren. This white polo, I think, has potential in that it could be like a cute little preppy tennis vibe set, like that's an easy one. This has got some like real potential as like a set. The urge to just crop everything and call it a day as a top. That's not the challenge. We're not gonna do that, but I just want you to know that crossed my mind, but we are stronger than that. This is for sure the winner for the bathing suit cover, 100%. It's like the only sheer shirt that's also in the most tropical pattern possible. I think I really lucked out with this one. I do like the colors of this one. This also could be a cute little preppy set as well too. Again, like kind of serving like country club vibes. I like this fabric. This fabric is like really stretchy, which I feel like has a lot of give for what you can do as a shirt. We got a lot of flexibility here, like literally. Okay, so burgundy shirt is out. Bathing suit cover, shirt, set, one of these ones, and break. I'm gonna try and tackle the swimsuit cover first. I'm a little stressed because this is Marc Jacobs and I feel like the stakes are a little bit higher because I don't want to f this up. I'm lucky in that Jeremy is an XL and I have no boobies. So for bonus points, I think I might be able to squeeze like a little bandeau situation out of this as well too. So this is the max amount of fabric that I'll have to work with once I chop off this like top portion. Okay, and initial contact is made. Oh, okay, here we go. It's real now. Okay. Maybe not, maybe not. Although I do have some very small boobies. This is, this bottom portion here is like an easy tie cover up, I think. This is a very asymmetrical, like bottom hem, which is gonna look weird if you were to just like undo the buttons and tie it up. So I think I figured out how to trim this so it's not like a weird shape. I'm going for the brownie points. I'm going for it. If this ends up everything, this was the moment that everything went wrong and we can look back on this and laugh, but I'm going for it. I'm going for it, I'm going for it. I'm gonna split the difference here of like what a small boobie and medium-sized sarong could look like. This is where things can go very wrong. Okay, we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it. Here we go. Making cuts, it's happening. There's no going back now. I always forget how stressful these videos are. Here we go. We just gonna go for it. This is like the easy portion though, is that like, this would just be like a tie-up situation, and I feel like this is much more forgiving because you're kind of just like tying it around your waist, if that makes sense. So I'm just trimming off this like asymmetrical front hem so that we're not working with like a weird shape. Okay, so like realistically, like that's really easy, right? Like you just tie this up and you've got a cute little sarong. One and done. Brownie points, here we come. There's already like a pre-made tube here in the middle where the buttons are, where I can string like rope through or chain through that can do a tie-up neck situation. The width is too long, and there seems to be some kind of really fun sweat stains on the back here. So I'm gonna cut this open and do a tie-up back. Jeremy, I love you, but I don't want your sweat-stained hems. For necktie, I've got this rope that's like kind of more nautical vibes, and as preppy as I do have to transform for this video, this might be a little bit too far for me. I have a shit ton of beads. And I think it could be cute to do like a beaded necktie. And then also if it's stretchy string, then it becomes like kind of like a necklace moment as well too. Because like, let's be real, like we're not holding anything up here. Like it's not for sturdiness or security or safety. So if it goes around the neck and it's gonna cross here and be like tied like this, okay, like 32-ish. Okay, okay, okay. This could be good.
Sport heating pearls onto.
Oh my god. These brownie points better be worth it. We're in business, baby. Okay, theoretically this all makes sense. Let's see if my brain did this properly. So far so good. The plan is that this would like scrunch, and then these could cross or whatever, and then this ties like a necklace up here. Oh baby, I think we are in business. Let's go. In my brain this was a success. On my body, we shall see. Okay, Okay, success. Obviously I've got rough edges, etc., but we're here for a good time and not a long time. This was definitely a really cute addition. It's like having some issues with like where to stretch and bend and sit, because this is super stretchy and this is completely 0% stretchy, but this is really cute. So I've got the little tie up here. I wish you weren't able to fully see like this hem here, but like in the way of a beach cover up, this is really cute. I think this is a success. I feel like Jeremy probably wouldn't even recognize that this was his vacation flamingo shirt. I have no shirt on because if this goes as planned, this will be a 10-second DIY and we'll be able to try it on right after. Again, here for a good time and not a long time because I don't really know what this fabric is gonna do once I cut through it. Like this might be a situation where she starts to unravel almost immediately. Also, there's a stain right here. So we'll put that at the back. Here we go. Okay, stay with me. Stay with me. This might be a, oh, this might not be a flop. So what I'm thinking is, okay. Oh, bitch. Oh my God. Oh, let's go. Wow, literal 10-second DIY. Obviously, I would not be wearing this bralette underneath, and I'd have to be wearing some booby cups and probably would want to secure myself in with a little bit of booby tape, but let's go. Come on, DIY. Here comes the hard one. I'm gonna go with the plaid long sleeve. I feel like if we're pushing ourselves outside of our comfort zone, a polo is whatever. Like there's a world where I could make that cute with just like some knee-high chunky black boots or whatever, but this is something where it's like if you saw me wearing this, you'd be like, what the f? But I think there's a world where we can give this like maybe Revolve vibes if it's a set, like I don't have a shirt on again. We could do kind of an asymmetrical hem on the front, so it kind of like dips down a little lower in the front, and then maybe like a little triangle cut in the skirt. I've got a lot of plans, but not a lot of confidence that I can execute this, but I can't wait for the sake of all of our entertainment for me to try. I hate sewing! First sewing video of 2022, baby. Let's see how she goes. I pulled another skirt out of my closet that also has 0 stretch and 0 give to it, so I can try and use that as a guide. I'm fortunate enough to be a DIY supplies hoarder, so I have a zipper that I can use for the back of the skirt, thank God, because this booty, although small, is not gonna fit into this the same size as my waist. Oh shit, okay. This is gonna be a crop top. Like there's really not much extra here. Okay, whatever, crop top it is. Oh shit, this is gonna be so cropped. Like I'm basically already at the armpit. Okay, here we go. Okay, so worst case scenario, we get a skirt out of this. So I have obviously the buttons from the front of the shirt. So I think this is actually a good spot to do my zipper at the back here. I'm gonna trim this like thick little hem off so I can put the zipper in here. Side seams, waistband seam, zipper, and hope for the best. Just me and the sewing machine. Here we go. I like feel confident about the skirt portion of this. We'll see what kind of a two-piece set this ends up being. Okay, so instead of showing just like a bajillion more minutes of sewing machine footage, here's what I've pinned and I'm going to sew next. So I've got my waistband pinned and ready to go, and then I have this little cut out here in the front. I have a zipper for the back too. Gonna tack that on, and then we will cross the bridge of the shirt when we get there. The skirt is done, feeling good about it, and I figured that I would just see where we're at with this. Before this goes on, there is a like army green colored set that I thought about buying off Revolve for so many months. I considered it, but it was like $300, and the top was oversized and the bottom was fitted very much in this style. And so I'm okay if this is a little oversized. Okay, wait. I could fit another me in here, but I kind of don't hate it. I mean, I'm looking at a very small screen, let's be very clear, so if it looks like ass and everyone except for me can tell, we'll know why, but I kind of don't hate it. It's not the worst. I don't know if it's quite giving Revolve. Like, I think that would be giving myself way too much credit. It's kind of giving Cher from Clueless, but like a St. Patty's Day version maybe. I think Revolve is a little too complimentary. Here's the final situation. I think this is cute. This turned out really good. I almost feel like this could have been a little tiny bit shorter. The back length is good. I feel like the booty is like appropriately covered, but this could have been a little bit shorter, I think. Just because like it is a lot of plaid happening all over the body, but not the worst. I don't hate it. That's for sure. I don't hate it. Okay. I'm so preppy. I just like, this is not for me. It's not for me. I will say, challenge, definitely not failed. All right, guys, I am going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed my struggle. Let me know how I did. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and subscribe over on the vlog channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Love you.